How to add music to your video in Reelshot. Want to enhance your video with music? Here's how to add music in Reelshot on your iPhone. Start a new project and import your video clip. Once loaded, tap the music or audio button in the editing menu. Browse through the available tracks or tap import to add a one from your library. Select the track you want and adjust its position and volume on the timeline. Preview your video with the music, then save when you're happy with it. Do you prefer using app music or your own songs? Share it in the comments below. Lower the music volume slightly to make spoken audio clearer in the video. And that's how you can add music to your video in Reelshot. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.